Hey, you guys, thought I'd help. Hey, good morning. Hey, you guys, get ready with me for my day. We're going to start by cleansing my face. Vintner's Daughter Active Renewal Cleanser. This is the newly formulated version. It feels so good on the skin, and it now also doubles as makeup remover that also takes off your sunscreen and leaves the skin feeling nice, clean, and healthy, and very refreshed. All right, we're all cleansed. Now we're gonna put on our essence. This is the Vintner's Daughter Active Treatment Essence, 8-in-1 facial in a bottle. Amazing product. Has my skin revitalized. And I showed you guys these spots a few days earlier this week. They were much darker. So 7 spritz to the face. Bring it down on the neck. Press it in like so. I love this product. It's so refreshing. Sunscreen today is going to be Sarah Creel's Brilliant Repair Shield in Vacation. It is an SPF of 50 and it has a beautiful glow to it. So we'll go ahead and get that on. I'm going to do 2 fingers worth. Next is the Ubeauty, the Super Tinted Hydrator. I dropped my bottle. I wear shade number 9. And I'm just going to put a pump, 2 pumps in my hand. And I'm going to apply it with my fingers. I love this product. And just like it says, it's just a tinted moisturizer. But watch how it leaves the skin. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty project. It's such a pretty product. I love it so much that when Ubeauty reached out and replenished my gifting, I requested a new bottle. So I already have a second bottle awaiting to be used. I love Ubeauty. Their products that I have are pretty amazing, including this Super Tinted Hydrator. I also have the Body Hydrator, and I need to get back into using my arm compound. But Pro-M, their fragrance is also beautiful, and I'll be spritzing that on in the next frame. Before we do fragrance, we always hydrate the skin. So this is the Ubeauty, the Super Body Hydrator. Love, love, love this product. You see my skin now. Let's get some on. This is what it looks like. It's very nice, very rich. Look at the skin, you guys. How pretty. Don't worry, I'll get some more. We don't want to leave those elbows undone. And now I'll grab my Pro-M. Let's get the neck. All right. This is Pro-M from Ubeauty. It's such a pretty scent. I love it. All right, now I want to put on some bronzer. We're doing like a quick everyday out the door. This is the new Rhode Pocket Bronze. I have the shade Drench. I love the tone of this product. It's such a pretty tone. That was more than enough. And I'm going to blend it out with Sonia G. I'm gonna blend it out with the Sonia G CB2 from her newest release, her Celebrations, the Kiyaki Kakishibu Celebration set. And because of the dye job on this brush, the bristles can be used for both creams and powders. But look at that brush, the way it blends that product in. Look at the product, the way it just blends into the skin so beautifully. I really have been loving the tone of this bronzer. I think at $25, they did a really good job. And I hope to try more of their products in the future. So if Rhode, if you're watching, please reach out. I would love, love, love to try some more of your products. But that looks stunning. All right, you guys know natural hair brushes shed. It's not a big deal. I want to toast up a little bit more. So let's put a little bit more on the cheeks. That's where I like to be the toastiest because sometimes I don't wear blush. So let's blend that out, make it a little toastier there. Doing my makeup makes me feel better even when I'm down. So just doing a little bit brings the mood up just a touch. So yeah, there we go. All right, let's brush the brows up. We won't be doing any pencil today, but we can lay them down. So that they are nice and uniformed. And that was the Make Beauty Infinite Brow Gel. Love this brow gel, but remember, too much, you will get crunch. All right, now for a lip, we're gonna do a Chanel Duo. We're gonna do Le Crayon Livre in the shade Brune Noisette, number 264, with the Ultra Tenue Duo, number 154 Intense Caramel. Love these two together. We'll let that dry. And while we do, let's grab a brush and that pocket bronze again, and we'll put it on the eyes. All right, so this is Sonia G's T6, an amazing all over the lid brush. It's available exclusively at Beautylish. Because it is the Kakishibu dyed brush bristles, then you can use these for both creams and powders, as I stated before. And look at that. We're just gonna put that right here on the lid and blend it out. I love putting my bronzer on my lids as well. It makes for a beautiful monochromatic look. And if I wanted to add blush, I could still do so. But I think today I won't. To each his own, right? Let's grab some mascara. I always start my lashes with my Chanel La Base. Unless I'm testing a new mascara, then I don't. Going with Victoria Beckham's Vast Lash. This is my favorite of the two that she carries, because this one is what would be my everyday. Her other one is her everyday, but I like my lashes Vavoom all the time, so that's what we do.
And I don't use coffee, so.
And a good mascara is something that I need in my collection. Let me grab a mirror.
Oh my God, smudges on my lower lashes. It's alright, I'll let it dry and then you can wipe it off with a spoolie. That's coming down my lid, awesome. I'm gonna grab it, brush it off with the bronzer on the lid so I can just go over that after I wipe it off with the spoolie. And grab a spoolie.
Because I put that darkness down there, I'm gonna go ahead and go in. Let's put a little bit of my tinted hydrator under there, because we're not doing concealer today. But we will just bring this up so that we can cover that mishap. All right, much better now. Now I will grab the pocket mascara, the pocket bronzer again. I'm gonna grab Sonia's new T7. Go over the top of the bronzer, and we will just bring it under the lower lash line. And I'll do the same to the other side. Quick daytime smoky eye, if you will. Anyone who knows me knows I love a smoky eye. It's my thing. And we'll do some mascara to the lower lashes. Now we're gonna do the waterline with Sarah Creel's Eyes Up in Gray Area. This is her newest shade. And I love it because it's not black, and it gives you basically daytime smoky, so it's not too harsh. And look at how creamy that applies. Such a pretty liner. Love that. See, no eyeliner. With eyeliner, bumps up the look. I'm just heading out to counseling, but I feel like I need that extra zhuzh today. To this lip, the other side is a gloss. How pretty. All right, and then I recently received a PR package from Beauty Blender. They just released this Boost 4-in-1 Firming Peptide Setting Spray. And so they sent over a sample. It says that it is to extend makeup for up to 18 hours, humidity resistant, blurs pores, and lifts. And so we're just gonna apply this. Again, remember I did not use a foundation, so I'm not looking for it to hold my tinted moisturizer, but I just wanna see how it feels on the skin. Oh, that mister is amazing. It smells beautiful. Look at my skin. Oh my God. I'm in love. Okay, this is a perfect no makeup look for the day. I hope you guys have a great one. I'll link everything in a frame because I'll take a photo outside of the bathroom for you so you can see what it looks like in natural lighting. But thank you for joining me here today, and I hope you have an amazing one. Bye. Remember, always keep it real, always keep it raw. Always keep it relatable. And until the next video, thank you for your continued support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.